Hello, we got this iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, Mason Touch IC that we're getting ready to reball with leaded solder. For this reball, we're actually going to be using pre-made balls with a stencil. So the first thing we're going to do is, and there's a couple different ways to do this. This is just the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the IC up, take a piece of Kapton tape, put the IC on that, and take a piece of, I'm going to use two-sided red tape. You can probably use whatever as long as it's double-sided. Put the Touch IC right on that. Take our stencil, go right over the top of that. We're going to add some flux. I'm going to be using Kingbo RMA 218, which is a flux that I like to use. You can see that there's a piece of lint in there. Just use your finger. Make sure you get a little bit in every hole. We're going to take our pre-made balls. These are 0.275 millimeter. I'm just going to get them out of the bottle with a needle with a little bit of flux on it. Just rake them out and start rolling them in place. As you can see, it don't take long to get them all in place. Still missing a couple up there. Make sure you got all the excess wiped off. Add a little bit of heat. Wait just a second for them to turn. You see them turning a little bit of a different color whenever they're cooling. Okay. Leave the IC from the stencil. Once you get the IC removed, you want to heat it again for just a second so that all the balls will center. Make sure you melt them all and you can actually see them move. They'll actually shift. Alright. Now all the balls are centered. Let them cool just a second again. You can see them start changing different shades of gray, from silver to gray. Okay. Go ahead and remove the IC. Go ahead and clean it. Normally I wouldn't clean it, but since I'm doing a video. Kind of dry it just a little bit. That's how we reball an IC with pre-made balls.